Hi guys, so today we are going to check out new animals packet. So total we have 11 animals packet. Some are species, wild animals, farm animals, lizards, insects, etc. So this is a farm animal packet. What's next? It's a farm animals packet again. Wow, it's very cute. Who is next? It's a trucks packet. Wow, there are so many trucks inside it. Who's next? It's wild animals packet. Those animals are really very huge. What's next? It's a wild animals packet. No, it's a insect and birds packet. Wow, there are so many birds inside it. Who's next? It's wild animals packet again. Again, these animals are really very huge. Who's next? It's a small wild animals packet. Wow, there's zebra, lion, tiger, chimpanzee, and lot more. They are really very small. Who's next? Wow, it's animal plastic packet. Those animals are made of plastic. Who's next? Oh, it's underwater sea animals. There's starfish, shark, dolphin, crab, and lot more. Who's next? Oh wow! Those are spiders and lizards. Those are really very creepy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.